Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. By the way, do you work or study?
Well, I am a professional and I do a job in a bank as an in a IT department.
Okay, that's
Right.
good. What do you like about your job?
That's basically a technological job, and technical things are changing very rapidly. So I really enjoy those changes and adapt and follow those changes, learn and implement in the practical life.
Okay.
Uh,
Would you like to continue with this job in the future?
Yes, obviously, because I have a variety and different flavors of technical skills, which I can implement to improve the
Okay, is it difficult to
infrastructure
find
of.
a job in your country?
No, basically, this area of technical skills, where a person has such type of technology skills, there are a variety of and there are
Okay,
variety of opportunities
is
in
this
the market.
job common or popular among other people?
No, because it needs a lot of efforts and education. They need to educate and learn a lot of things. That's why you must have technical expertise to have this job.
All right. What do you enjoy the most about your work?
That is basically our operational job, and we face a lot of we face a lot of issues and new things. That's why we enjoy a lot. To answer your query, I must say that there are a variety of opportunities and new things that can learn and enjoy your professional career.
Okay. All right. Now, the first thing is you need to give full answer. In
Okay.
some of my questions at the end, you finish your answer without completing it. And when I was asking the question, then you came up with the idea and you
Yeah.
tried to answer.
Yeah.
So don't overlap with the examiner.
Okay.
Second thing, you need to focus your fluency.
Okay.
And fluency will come when you talk about the same things repeatedly.
Okay.
Once, twice, three times, four times, and you'll be fine.
Right.
And the third thing is organize your answer and speak confidently.
Okay.
I mean, if the question is about jobs, answer confidently, four, five sentences, and then finish your answer.
All right.
So, above all, you just need practice. You have good language skills, but you need practice
Okay.
to streamline your English according to IELTS speaking pattern.
Right.
Right? Thank
Right.
you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.